What's up, everyone? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Nitra Latrice, and you already see that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. In this video, we are going to be doing a 1-year update of this Bohemian beauty. So if you are interested in seeing just how well she has held up, how she washed, how she styles, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's been a whole year since I introduced you to my go-to zero skill install Bohemian Curl 5x5 glueless lace closer pre-plucked wig from Luv Me Hair, and oh how time flies when you're rocking fabulous curls. Today we're diving deep into a 1-year update. I'm here to spill the tea on everything from shedding to the security of going glueless. Grab your combs because we are untangling all your questions one strand at a time. Before we dive into the deets, let's talk washing and maintenance because keeping this beauty looking fresh is key. First up, washing. I gently hand wash the curls with a sulfate-free shampoo followed by a hydrating conditioner to keep them bouncy and happy.
No, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down?
Freshly washed and these curls are popping. Now let's dive into the lace and hairline. The lace is like invisible ink, there but barely seen. And for those who shy away from glue, this glueless wonder keeps things secure with zero commitment. The hairline's pre-plucked for that natural look we love. Wanted it extra undetectable? A tad more plug-in makes it your own. But honestly, it's a head turner as is. Having touched on that flawless hairline, let's peek under the hood, or rather under the lace, to talk about what keeps this wig in place. First up, the 4 clips. These aren't just any clips. They're like the best friends of your scalp, placed strategically to give you that "I'm not going anywhere" kind of security. Whether you're shaking your head to your favorite beats or chasing after the bus, these clips have got you covered.
If we're okay, babe, all I want.
Now, the crown jewels of comfort and adjustability, the attached band and the adjustable straps. The band is a game changer, folks. It hugs your head just right, ensuring the wig fits snugly without any pressure points. It's like the wig is whispering, "I got you, boo," all day long. And the adjustable straps, they're the cherry on top, allowing you to fine-tune the fit to your liking. Whether you got a smaller head or need a little extra room, these straps adapt to you, not the other way around. This means you can go glueless with confidence, knowing that your stunning curls aren't going anywhere but with you, through thick and thin. Inside out, this wig has held up like a champ. The attached band and adjustable straps still in prime condition, offering that snug yet comfortable fit. Security without the glue. Check. It's like a trusty friend that never lets you down. Speaking of securely, let's talk about comfort and the genius of going glueless. This wig is like a soft hug to the scalp, comfortable for all day wear, and with the adjustable straps and band, it's not going anywhere. Perfect for busy moms, students cramming for exams, or professionals on the move. Available occasions, try every occasion. From morning coffee runs to glamorous evenings out, this wig transitions as smoothly as we can do from PJs to power suits. After washing, this wig bounces back to its original glory, curls popping and full of life. It's like witnessing a hair resurrection. Having talked about the inner workings of our Bohemian curl wig, let's now switch gears to styling, because let's face it, a great wig isn't just about the fit, it's about the flair. First on our styling agenda, tackling the flyaways. Flyaways can be like those little tests of patience, but fear not, with a dab of light whole product or serum, you can easily coax those strands back into the harmony of curls. It's all about embracing the beauty while keeping the rebels in check, ensuring your wig looks polished yet effortlessly natural. Moving on to shedding, a little bit is normal, like leaves in fall, but with this wig, shedding is very minimal, making maintenance a breeze. A soft brush or a wide tooth comb is all you need to keep the strands in check without worrying about losing the lush volume of these gorgeous curls. Now for my favorite part, defining these luscious curls. After washing, I apply a generous amount of setting lotion. This is not just any step. It's the secret sauce to locking in those curls, giving them life and bounce that lasts.
Ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for wanna be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you
Before we get lost in the curls, let's touch on laying down the lace. It's easier than you think. A little setting lotion goes a long way in making sure your lace lays flat and undetectable, blending seamlessly with your skin. Just apply a small amount along the hairline, press down gently, wrap it up, and voila! The lace becomes one with you. It's like magic, but better because it's real and it's simple. Now, back to our curl celebration with the diffuser. After setting our lace like a pro, it's time to give these curls the spotlight they deserve using a diffuser that's not just about drying. It's about enhancing each curl's natural shape and volume, locking in that moisture from our setting lotion to ensure the curls are not only defined but also protected from frizz. As we gently diffuse, moving into a circular motion, we're not just drying, we're setting the stage for a day or even days of stunning, bouncy curls. This step is critical, ensuring that our curls are defined, voluminous, and ready to face the world with confidence. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to lay down your lace and bring out the best in your curls, making styling not just easy but enjoyable.
Wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no game.
And there you have it, my ladies, the 411 on the Zero Skill Install Bohemia Curl 5x5 Glueless Lace Closure Pre-Pluck Wig after a year of love and wear. This wig isn't just a hairpiece, it's a lifesaver for those of us juggling life's many roles. So whether you're a student, a mom, or a hustling professional, remember, looking fabulous shouldn't be another job. With this wig, it's a breeze. No experience needed, no skills required. Just pop it on and conquer the world, one curl at a time. So stay tuned for my final thoughts and why this wig might just be your new best friend. Until then, keep rocking, stay fabulous, and remember, the best curls are the ones you wear with confidence. This is a great unit to have. It is lightweight, it is flowy, it's easy, it requires no skill, no experience to put this unit on. It is truly a beginner friendly unit for sure. And if you want to switch it up, make sure you do it with a Luv Me Hair unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video. And I'll see you over there.